Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Tessa's Toybox Christmas one. What do we have today? That it is Barbie Space Discovery, and look at everything in there. And this is the doll and playset. Which doll is it? Does it say?
Stacie.
Does it say Stacie anywhere?
No, but I can tell.
Yeah, these Barbie things don't really show too much. All it shows is, your covers go in on and off. It comes with a few different few different things for the desk, bed, and telescope. Some little toys. And it just says, place sticker on toy. That's it. And it says, place sticker approximately 5 feet away from a light source for 30 seconds. And that looks like you got a glow-in-the-dark poster. That's about it. There's only one thing left to do.
Open it up.
Open it up. All right, now everything is unboxed and separated, and you got a bunch of different things. So, no directions, so just, check it out, how you're gonna get this set up.
And there's something really cool about the desk, guys. Look, so you think it's just an ordinary desk, but
Ooh, and the light sticks on it, huh?
you can flip the desk around. Because the light sticks on it because there's little things to attach.
Yeah, pretty cool.
So you can put the light here, here, or here. And I'm gonna pick mine there, but you don't have to put yours there. And the blanket just fell on my face.
And there's a telescope that you have to put together. So get the
You
tripod.
can make the bed bigger. You can make the bed bigger.
Oh yeah, put that cover on. That's pretty cool. Get your tripod, take out the stand, snap it in, like so,
Like snap it
like
in.
that,
Like
and then right there. See it? There. Telescope. Okay.
his torso moves, his arm moves, and his legs move. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. Now, only the light is the only thing that will stick.
Not even
Dad,
the
I found-
globe?
No, I found the equator.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's it.
You could detach the globe.
And here's a program for the space program.
Yeah, and the computer picture
Mm-hmm.
is the launch pad. She must be watching. Like the computer doesn't even stick. See? The computer doesn't stick. I don't know why Barbie stuff does this. It's really just not unnecessary to do that. Does she even fit? Why do they come with another bed and it doesn't even fit a Barbie?
Maybe her legs just gotta stick out.
That's not a point of a bed. And look at this bed on top. It does something really cool.
Yeah.
Like you can adjust it.
Yeah, and it's like, it shows in the picture that you could like make a desk area with like a cover over it. See it? That's where it shows the chair. That there's all different accessories. You have a poster. We'll see how this works in a second. We'll let it charge up.
So like if she wants to get nice and cozy, but she can't, but like she has to still work and like still do stuff on her computer, she could just put these little slippers on to feel cozy.
Mm-hmm.
I actually don't even have real slippers for my Barbies. Like, I don't have any slippers.
Now you do. It's pretty cool.
So now I got stuff. Here's the microscope. Then she could just put her shoes right next to her. At first I thought the compass from this set was a metal. But then I saw north, east, south, and west. I'm like, oh, it's on the compass. But it doesn't actually fit around her neck, the compass. He's so cute.
I'm a robot.
I really like this doll. She comes with really cool stuff. The fact that the desk moves and flips into a bed. And I love her outfit and her shoes. And she has like a little blue, like little blue sleeves, light blue. And then the line right here is yellow. And it's like a galaxy thing with the moon and stars and a spaceship. And she has these cute silver sneakers. And I would say they look the same, except their outfits are way different and they're from completely different sets, but they look the same.
Mm-hmm.
They're the same person, just in a different outfit and different hairstyle, but they have the same hair, the same eyes.
Mm-hmm. Two different styles. So one could be Stacie and one can be part of the ACs. JC, Casey, and Lacey.
What the heck?
You know. So it's pretty cool. Look, and you get Stacie, the bed, the chair, the telescope, backpack, slippers, a
My
globe.
hair is messy.
You get the space blanket,
We have beautiful shoes.
the laptop. I don't know what this bottom piece is for. What are they putting on that? No idea. Your globe, and it actually spins. Right. And folks, we had something charging up, and we're gonna check it out right now. Ready? Here goes. Ooh, it is glowing. Look, it's close the dark. See that? Look. Ooh. Let's click right on there. Whoa. See that? It's glowing. Pretty cool. Little glowable poster, glowing little posters and stickers. And that's about it.
Mhm.
See that? It
Wait,
is
can I
glowing.
try?
Yeah. See? It's still glowing. See, it's like green. Cool. And she has a little flag, right?
Yeah. What does it say on it?
It says Barbie, but it has like the moon on it or something.
Let me see. You can't see? Oh, yeah, it does.
And does anything fit in this backpack? Does this open up?
Yeah.
Wait, and what? Look at this little pooch.
It's a pooch.
This. Ow, ow, ow. And a headset
To talk.
to talk when she's doing a live broadcast of looking at Saturn.
Or she can, or she's like talking to the people on the ship.
Yeah, let's see. And the backpack does open. Oh, no, not much can go in there. It's pretty tiny.
Let me see.
Not
Yeah.
much.
Nothing can go in there.
So, all right.
It's just a backpack for show.
Mm-hmm.
But you do want to put some stuff on there. If you have like stuff that's like this and it looks like that, you can untake it and attach it to this part and it will hang there.
Oh, okay. All right. So overall, it's pretty good, right? You think other kids should get it?
Yeah.
Should they? I mean, Christmas just passed, so you can't really ask Santa Claus now, but you could get it for. Or if you got any gift cards, you could get it
Target.
then, right? Or go to Macy's, and there's a Toys R Us in there. Maybe you can find it there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Toys
alrighty.
R Us probably have like 5,000 toys there.
Yeah. So until next time in the next toys.
Bye! If you like my videos, click on the bell button. Like and subscribe for more videos.